Hello traders. In this video we will be looking into the derivatives summary report which this Iris Plus software offers us. I would like to dedicate this video to one of our mentorship traders who had requested me in one of our live classes to make a quick video on the derivative summary report. So the derivative summary report, you'll find it under the report section down here, and when you click on it, this is the box that will appear. Of course, it will be NSE derivative selected over here, and right next to that you need to select your script of interest. Let's say I say Tata Steel. Right next to this refresh button is an auto refresh in seconds, so I've kept it 5 seconds. So every 5 seconds the levels will get refreshed automatically. Keep all the three tick, which is the continuous future. The open interest change will be shown in percentages, and the spread. The spread does not make much of a difference. You can keep it clicked. The spot price shows over here. The percentage change, the lot size 1061 is the lot size in the futures market, derivatives market for Tata Steel, and the quantity and the open interest, the numbers will be shown in terms of lots. Right next to this, the first section is about the futures of Tata Steel. 1, 2, 3 is the current month, the next month, and the far month. Today being the first day of the May expiry, so majority of the volumes you'll find here, and almost very insignificant in the later months. As I can see, when I click on this, the daily chart or the current chart of Tata Steel pops up. I can change it to weekly, quarterly, monthly, intraday based on the hotkeys on the software. Right below that, there's options and calendar spread. Options, this is a useful section of the derivative summary report. You can choose all expiry, the near month, the next month, or the far month. So as you can see in the options, in the far month there is no activity, so is in the next, but majority of the activity happening in the near month. Options, option type, I can choose all, which is call and put combined, or only call or just put. So let's say we keep it to call. The option type 2 is asking me at the money, in the money, or out of the money. So I can say all, or I can keep it in the money. The put call ratio will be calculated in terms of quantity or open interest. I've kept it as open interest. A 10% annual interest and an 18% volatility has been assumed by the software, and it's kept there. I can select this, which will only show me those strike prices which are active today. If I untick it, or everything will come. It's always important that you keep this ticked where the active today strike prices will be populated. So let's say if you're interested in the 550 or the 560 out of the money, or we have selected in the money, right? So that's why it's showing strike prices which are sub 540, 545 being the current market price. If I make it out of the money, 550 and above strike prices will populate. You can sort them, the strike prices. You can sort the open interest to figure out where the maximum open interest is shaping up. You can change in terms of put call ratio also, just to figure out where the put call ratio numbers are higher. So it's the options section which is useful just to quick check on which strike price is having what kind of numbers. A little more advanced about the Greeks, the delta, gamma, theta, vega, rho is also shown over here. Those who are into options and those who like to look at these Greeks can find it, the numbers over here. In the money Greeks, in the money deltas of course will be on the higher side compared to the out of the money ones. The next section is that of the calendar spread, which is NR is the near month, FR is the far month. So this is essentially showing us the difference between the near month and the next month, and the near month and the far month, and so on and so forth. This is useful for people who are looking for arbitrage opportunities. But essentially, the derivative summary report, the majority of the usefulness comes from this lower section of the options. And of course, if you're a futures trader, you need not come here, but you can quickly check the open interest. But there are other ways to check this. I see the main usefulness of the derivative summary report coming offering mainly for the option traders. I hope this quick video was useful for all the users of Iris Plus. I have many videos in this playlist pertaining to this software. If you like this video, please share your comments and feedback. And if you want me to create any particular feedback, and considering if you're a user of the same software, feel free to suggest. I'll definitely look into it and make a quick video on your suggestion as well. Thank you. And as always, trade well, trade wise.